Okay, so today I'm going to attempt to replace the marker light that's on the Jeep Patriot. Apparently the blinker bulb is the same as the marker light. It just has two different filaments inside of it. And I guess it's kind of a pain in the ass to replace, so I'm going to give it a shot. I saw a few videos on YouTube that seem to help, and doesn't seem like it's going to be too bad, but figured I would just add to the pool of information. Maybe I might have something interesting, maybe not, but never know till you try. So this is going to be my attempt on doing it. So I'll show you. What we have to take off here is these three bolts right here, and right here, and then these rivets you can see right here, and then the ones on the bottom right here and right here. So the tools that you'll need to do this is a flathead screwdriver for popping out the rivets, unless you have a rivet puller, a 7mm socket to take off those three bolts, and then the replacement bulbs 3757A. So we'll start taking off those bolts. Okay, I got the three bolts out. I got just two of the bottom rivets that were underneath here. I think I might be able to sneak out this inside without having to take off that inner rivet, but I might have to. We'll just try taking it out. Okay, so it looks like I might be able to sneak my hand up in there. Those rivets were not easy to take out. So, looks like you have to sneak up around in this spot here. On the other YouTube videos, sometimes they go up over the bumper frame, but I might be able to sneak my hand up underneath here and just twist out that light bulb and pull it out. We'll see if that works. Well, I ended up taking out that rivet. Looks like I needed to take it out in order to actually get this thing to fold over, because I have to get up over there. You can kind of see right where the bulb is. I can't fit my hand in there, so I have to take this whole thing, fold it up and over. Unfortunately, I broke the rivet head off, so I'll have to pick up a new one of those. Probably a rivet wrench too for next time I have to do this. But I'm going to fold this over now and see if I can get my hand up and around now. Tuck it up like that. It looks like I can sneak my hand in here now. Alright, look at that. I got it out. And we'll just make sure that it's the correct thing that's actually out. There's two filaments in here. I'm going to make sure that it's just one of the filaments that's out before I replace the whole thing. So let's just see if that works. Okay, so those are just my running lights. Nothing comes on. And my blinker light. Now it comes on. So let's replace the other bulb and see if that one works. Alright, let's replace this guy. Just pull it straight out. Grab the new one. They look like the same bulb, same numbers. So it should work. Look at that. It's already on. And that's because my lights are on, and that is the parking light part that I needed to replace. So that's already good news. And just for the sake of it, I'm just going to turn on my blinker to make sure my blinker one works before I put everything back together. And the blinker works too. Okay, looks like it works. So let's go ahead and put it back in. Okay, now that I got that in there, I'm going to put the fender back together. Just fold this baby right back down. I'll pop those rivets back in and pop the screws back in, and we should be good to go. Okay, we got her all tightened up with the screws on the side here. The rivets are back in. The only casualty I had was one of the rivets actually broke. Not a big deal, I'll just buy a replacement. They're not too expensive. But I'll show you, it works now. Turn on my lights. And just that little filament was the problem. Just that little light. And it's all taken care of. Alright, the light is all fixed in the Jeep. Thanks for watching another one of my mediocre mechanic videos. The maple syrup is dripping still. Doing good on this nice warm day. And the chickens are out.